Okay, this is our chicken house. We just finished building it, and as you can see, we got the chickens in it, and zoom in on little chickens here a little bit. Yeah, look at them chickens. They like that birdhouse. Yeah, we close them up at night due to the animals getting in to the greenhouse and getting them. I wasn't aware that opossum can climb over the chicken wire, so we're gonna have to close in the top of the chicken or the greenhouse. Close in the top of the greenhouse, and to the sides we have nesting boxes, so that when they get older they can do their nesting. In the next video I'll show you the nesting boxes and how they work. Thank you.